Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I am Dr. Muhammad Mizanur Rahman from University Malaysia Sabah. I would like to thank the organizing committee to giving opportunity to share our research data through this 7th International Seminar of INI and Congress 2024. My presentation title is Characterization of Feed Intake, Growth Performance, Digestibility and Carcass Characteristics of Rabbit Fed Pellet including pineapple leaf. Over the next few slides, I will discuss the potential of pineapple leaf as a sustainable, cost-effective feed additive in rabbit diets and its impact on various performances. All of us we know that animal feed is very essential for livestock growth, health and productivity, needing a balanced mixture of nutrients. However, poor quality feed contaminated by mold or pesticide can severely affect animal health and productivity. So therefore, monitoring and proper storage are crucial. So as we know that we have two types of animal feed. One is roughage, another one is concentrate. So roughages are high in fiber, low in digestible nutrient, which is suitable for ruminant animal, for example, cows, sheep, and goats. While the concentrates are rich in digestible nutrients, low in fiber, which is ideal for monogastric animals, for example, poultry and rabbits. Malaysia struggles with securing affordable animal feed, leading to reliance on costly imports. So increasing interest in using locally grown crops and agro-industrial byproduct to enhance sustainability and reduce the cost for livestock production. All of us we know that pineapple industry generates a significant amount of waste, including leaves, pulp, peels, and stems. Pineapple leaves are rich in cellulose and high quality fiber, making them a potential feed ingredient for rabbits as observed or suggested by previous researchers. Incorporating pineapple leaves can lower feed cost for farmers. So utilizing agricultural waste addresses environmental pollution issues as well. So it is potential to enhance pellet quality and promote sustainability in livestock production. So commercial pellets are often energy dense, leading to obesity and also wastage. So unlike other non-ruminants, rabbits as monogastric animals are more capable of utilizing fiber to effectively digest cellulose from pineapple leaves. Therefore, this study was conducted to create a more sustainable and economically viable approach to rabbit production through the innovative use of pineapple leaves in feed formulations. Now I will talk about the materials and methods of this study. As you can see, this study was conducted in Rabbit House, University Malaysia Kelantan, and this study was approved by Animal Ethics Committee, University Malaysia Kelantan. So total 12 healthy male rabbits, which is about 3 months old, were bought from a local breeder, and all rabbits were adjusted to the environment for 2 weeks on a standard commercial diet, and all our rabbits are housed in sanitized metal cages with adequate ventilation. So pineapple leaves were collected locally, and these pineapple leaves were chopped, sun-dried for 2 days, ground and combined with other feed ingredients. So in this study, there are two types of ration. One is commercial pellet, another one our formulated pellet using pineapple leaf. So this table show our formulated pellet containing pineapple leaf. As you can see, 40% is the pineapple leaf and other 60% is other ingredients. So this new formulated rabbit pellet contain 19% protein, 17% fiber and 11.02 megajoule metabolizable energy per kilogram of diet. So out of total rabbits, 6 rabbits fed commercial pellet and 6 rabbits fed pineapple leaf based pellet. So the duration of the experiment was 2 months, and we have given the feed morning and in the evening. So data collection, the weekly weight measurement, daily feed intake, and fecal sample was collected at the final week for digestibility analysis. At the end of the experiment, 3 rabbits per group were slaughtered for carcass composition and meat quality evaluation. For chemical analysis, as you can see, we have measured the protein, fat, and fiber and ash content following the method of AOAC. Uh, we also analyzed the meat samples for protein, fat, and mineral contents, for example, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and then pH and color also was also evaluated. So all data were analyzed using SPSS software by t-test, and significant level was considered at 5% level. So now I will discuss about the results and discussion. So you can see from table 2, as you can see, ether extract and ash content is slightly lower in T1 group compared to the control. But dry matter, protein, and organic matter was almost same between the two groups. This table is showing intake and digestibility of rabbit fed experimental diets. As you can see, dry matter intake significantly lower in T1 than control, possibly due to reduced the palatability. And CP intake also lower in T1 despite higher CP content, indicating less favorable intake patterns. The ether extract intake also reduced in T1, contributing to low energy intake but may prevent obesity of the rabbit. The ash and organic matter intake also reduced significantly in T1 group, reflecting altered nutrient composition patterns. However, you can see that dry matter, ash, and organic matter digestibility, there was no difference between control and T1 diet. But CP digestibility significantly lower in T1, possibly due to anti-nutritional factors in pineapple leaf. And another one, ether extract digestibility, was also significantly reduced in T1 group. It may be because of high fiber content in the T1 diet. Table 4 is showing the effect of diets on growth performance of rabbits. As you can see, initial body weight, final body weight, and total body weight gain was not significantly affected by the experimental diet. But daily body weight gain, you can see the control diet promotes better growth compared to 40% pineapple leaf inclusion. So significantly lower in T1, indicating reduced the growth performance. And table 5 is showing the carcass composition of rabbit fed experimental diets. As you can see here, live body weight, hot carcass weight, and dressing percentage was not affected by the experimental diet. So pineapple leaf inclusion does not significantly impact the carcass composition. Table 6 is showing the chemical analysis of rabbit meat. As you can see here, there is no difference on protein, fat, and ash and other mineral contents between the two groups. So it indicates that 40% pineapple leaf inclusion has no adverse effect on the meat's nutritional composition. So, and this table is showing the pH and color of the rabbit meat. As you can see, there is no significant difference between the experimental diets. So pineapple leaf does not compromise the physiochemical properties of rabbit meat, maintaining the meat quality. So to conclude, our study demonstrates that adding 40% pineapple leaf pellets to rabbit feed can reduce feed cost without compromising the digestibility or meat quality. However, including 40% pineapple leaf in rabbit diet, you can see the reduces overall intake and the growth performance. So digestibility is lower for CP and ether extract, but dry matter and organic matter digestibility remains stable. So no negative impact on carcass composition or meat quality, and further research is needed to optimize the formulation for palatability and the nutrient digestibility. So these are the references of this research. So thank you for your attention. I would be happy to answer any question you may have.